with some of these weapons that Mike Jeffries has at his disposal. And off we go. Third meeting of the season between Northern Colorado and Charlotte Independence. Rogers skies ahead. Really good ball for Deju, who tried to loft it over. Zendejas a whistle. And a penalty kick has been awarded to Northern Colorado. Let's take a look at what just happened. What a ball from Rogers as Deju tries to chip it ahead. And Zendejas saying, I didn't make any contact with Jerry Deju. Let's look again. That was that right foot, just extended a little bit, certainly inadvertent. Para tucks it home. Irvin Para has now scored in all 3 matches against Charlotte Independence this season. And Zendejas went the right direction, but that is pinpoint precision off the foot of Irvin Para. Once more, it's Rogers to take it. Whips it in, hit it goalward! It's 2-0! Norte, his second of the season. Norte, we talked about his defensive prowess in the open, but how about that header? Directs it to the backside. Nothing Zendejas could do about it. And it was seemingly only a matter of time before Northern Colorado would convert on one of those corners. Hager lays it wide, options inside the box, and Buyu! What a look on target, but an even better save by Olsen. First of all, Mbuyu, momentum was taking him the other way. Santos lets it rip. Oh, he found the woodwork. A mere inches from locating the upper 90. How about this blast from Santos? Man on loan from Charlotte FC. Fresh out of the hydration break. Here's Rogers. Deju turns and faces. Deju creates some space! Off the woodwork! Tapped home! Was the flag up? It's Hernandez on the finishing end! Showing off the dance moves, and for good reason. Let's take a closer look. Watch Hernandez, backside of things. How about Deju creating space? Inside, outside on frame. He looked offside, at least from that angle. And we don't necessarily have the best angle. Hernandez unmarked. Easy finish. Hernandez toes the touch line, lays it across, finds a man, and Zendejas pops it over the crossbar. Somehow able to get this ball across, and on the money, a headed bounce. And Zendejas just nicks it and splits the wickets of number 13. Para, beautiful idea. Ammon with 2 on his right. Ammon separates. Ammon turned away by Zendejas. Let's look back at this breakaway. Ammon on the 3-on-2, working 1-on-1, and Acosta stays with the visitors. Looking to crack the scoreboard for the first time tonight. And Buyu more than capable of doing just that. And Buyu dances. Works on Owen Dom. And a point to the spot. Dom whistled to the takedown of Tracer and Buyu. Buyu so shifty. Let's see Dom extends that right leg that got tangled up with Mbuyu. Also in a company have allowed the lone penalty kick they faced this year. Approach from Mbuyu! Not today! The flag was up though. Did Olsen come off his line early? It appears that he did. Golden opportunity to score. He cannot! And the flag is up again. There was a whistle. Olsen in disbelief. As we await the call. And the yellow comes out. Olsen already has one yellow. And Olsen has been red carded. Bennett versus Peñaranda. It's the third time the charm for Charlotte Independence. It is. Third of the season for Bennett, and the visitors are on the board. Hagar lays it through, and denied by Peñaranda. What a save! Beautiful ball. Bennett sneaks through the back line, and Johan Peñaranda, who came on moments ago after Thomas Olsen was red carded, how's the denial? His right hand. But a decisive performance today by the home side in a match that featured 4 goals, 13 cards, 9 minutes of second half added time.